Robots go wrong. They will wear and change over time. To overcome this, maintenance should be scheduled in. However, this can be sporadic and inconsistent, with responsibility unclear between OEMs, integrators, and maintenance teams situated at end users. For end user teams, there may be inconsistency between departments and geographical sites. Having to look after different robot brands and types, as well as being aware of preventative measures to prevent failure in different application types, can be challenging to maintain. If a fault occurs or initial signs indicate a fault may happen soon, it can be difficult, time-consuming, and costly to wait for an external partner to arrive for repairs. Using the RCS L-90 and T-90 kits, continuous maintenance can easily and consistently be scheduled in, with a history of performance kept, indicating well in advance when a repair or third-party intervention may be required. Additionally, the RCS kits can help speed up this repair process by quickly identifying the aspects of the robot which requires attention, so time is not further wasted diagnosing the issue when a partner arrives. From a third-party service provider or integrator's perspective, use of the RCS L and T-90 kits provide an essential set of tools for field engineers to quantify service operations. Currently, checks are manual in nature, using sight to visually identify issues, sound to audibly check for rattling and wear, smell to identify burning and excess friction, and touch to feel for resistance changes. This is extremely hard to quantify and is subjective between different service professionals. Using the RCS products, quantified data and printed reports can be produced to show performance before and after repairs, ensuring automation cells remain fit for purpose. Service provision may have been difficult to provide previously, but with the RCS kits, field engineers have all the tools they need to keep robot cells running as intended. For service to be professionally conducted in the industrial automation sector, records and consistency are essential. Using the RCS L and T-90 kits, both end users running continuous maintenance programs and service providers running diagnostics and managing repairs are able to quickly and systematically identify potential issues and keep production cells working for longer.